Good, 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 yep. Don't give up, Sam.
Come on. How much did you go on?
Oh, Josh, I can see you. Come on. Josh, wow, your glasses could have fallen off in that race. Josh, that was bad if your glasses.
No, it worked like a man, you wimp.
Let's go, here we go.
I said wrong.
Caleb, I have an idea. You get back here. Josh, you hold that. Caleb, you get back there and you go together from the middle. Try that.
Okay, Josh, we'll work up here.
No, you stay there and on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Pull, Josh. Pull, 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 pull. Nice. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Pull. Come on, Josh. Come on. All right, good. Now you probably could tip it right there, Caleb, and be okay. No, no, don't tip it that way. Tip it sideways. Choose probably towards Caleb is better. Nope, nope, no, 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 no. You want to tip it on dry ground. There you go. Good. Noah, you have to pick it up towards Caleb. You have to lift, you have to tip it towards me, right where you are. Can you do it or not?
No, but under it is what is good. Okay, so two, pull it like up. No, Josh, get on this side.
Yeah, good idea. Josh, yep.
I'll sit
You
here.
probably don't even need to pull it the whole way. Just bring it and then lift it. Josh, get towards the middle of the canoe.